years ago, a guy sent over 700 jobs application. I mean 700. And do you know how many interview he got? 4. Not 40. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One company even rejected him in less than 2 minutes. I did not know who was faster, the recruiter or the internet connection of the guy. And today he makes over $5,000 monthly working remotely from African country, from the same laptop in the same room, drinking the same tea. So what's changed? Because it definitely wasn't luck. Honestly, the answer actually surprised me. So we are going to be calling this guy named David. David actually thought remote work was simple. Curate a resume, apply, get hired, collect salary, easy. That is what every YouTube guru made it sound like. And he actually started applying customer support, virtual assistant, data entry, chat support, admin assistant, anything with the word remote, attach it to it. David is going to apply. Day after day, application after application, nothing, silence. And the kind of silence that make you refresh your email every 10 minutes, then every 5 minutes, then every 30 seconds. Like somehow Gmail forgot to actually notify you. What is going on here? Because weeks became months and David started wondering something. What if everybody online was actually lying? What if remote job was just modern day unicorn? Everybody talks about them. Nobody has actually seen them. But then he noticed something strange. The people getting hired wearing necessary smarter, they were not more educated than him. Some didn't even have degrees, but they all had one thing in common, and which is a skill, just one. Not 10, not 20, one. Customer support, appointment setting, bookkeeping, graphic design, email management, project coordination, something. Meanwhile, David was just trying to be everything. And when you are trying to be everything, you become nobody. So he stopped and made a decision that felt crazy. Instead of applying for jobs, he stopped applying for a whole month. It sounds stupid, right? No, David wasn't stupid. Especially when your bank account is looking at you like, my friend, what exactly is your plan here? You have bills to pay in Agege, Lagos, Nigeria. But that decision changed everything, because while everyone else was chasing jobs, David started building skills, and that is when things got interesting. He chose customer support, not because it was glamorous. Nobody grows up saying when you grow up you want to answer support tickets. Let's be honest, but it had something powerful. There is high demand for customer support. Companies always need people who can solve problems and communicate. So David went ahead to learn tools related to customer support, and the number one was Zendesk. He learned CRM system, learn how to write professional email, learn how to calm angry customers, which by the way, if you can calm an angry customer, African parents during report card section become light work. Then he built something most beginners skip, which is true. Not experience, portfolio proof of work, sample tickets, mock customer interactions, portfolio example, and suddenly it didn't look like a beginner anymore. And that is when the first opportunity appeared. But it wasn't what he expected. The first job just paid $600 a month. Wait, what? After all that work, $600? How much will I use $600 today in this time and age? Wait, most people would quit. David almost did, but then he realized something. The first job isn't supposed to make you rich. It is supposed to make you believable. That is the big difference. Because once someone pay you once, the next employer sees you differently. You are no longer a beginner. You are proven. And then change the entire game. Within 12 months, David wasn't applying for entry-level job anymore. He was applying for better opportunities, then freelancing, then contract work, then referrals. Then clients started finding David. The income stacked. $600 became $1,200. $1,200 moved to $2,500. $2,500 scaled to $5,000 not because it was lucky. And that is the part nobody tells you. The road to $5,000 monthly isn't one giant leap. It is a staircase. Miss one step, you fall. Climb consistently, everything changed. So today, David is actually working remotely. No miracle, no secret site, no overnight success, just a roadmap. Learn a skill, build a proof, get your first opportunity, gain experience, increase in value, repeat. That is simple, but not easy. That is why most people never make it. If you're watching this, hoping to actually make your first $5,000 a month remotely, stop focusing on $5,000. Focus on becoming the person who deserves it, because remote work isn't really about finding a job. It is about becoming difficult to ignore. And the moment that happens, everything changes for you. The opportunity, the income, the confidence, the future, and maybe, just maybe, the email you have been waiting for finally arrived. The Lord has done it. Finally. The Lord has done it. Finally. If you have watched this video to the end, congratulations. My name is Deborah. I'm a 5-year plus remote worker and also a co-founder in Remote Type Academy. I've made sure we cannot be hidden. I would like to know which remote job you are looking for in the comment section. Comment, subscribe, like, share to a friend.